how to make $100 a day passive income in cryptocurrencies. It's not as hard as it may seem, and no, you don't need to have $500,000 to do it, although, we're going to talk about those options too, but you can make $100 a day passive income in crypto for way less than you might think, and in this video, I'm going to give you some of those options. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing. If you like that kind of content, you got to whack on that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It'll be super freaking awesome. By the way, every single week my team and I produce Wealth Mastery. This is a cryptocurrency investor report designed to help keep you ahead of the curve in this fast-moving market. Every single week, DeFi tutorials, altcoin reviews, NFTs, token sales, portfolio updates, guides, all kinds of stuff. You can sign up for free using the link down below in the description. Now let's go ahead and get into this topic. So, making money, passive income in crypto, it's a lot easier than you may think. It's true. It's true. Staking has been one of the most popular ways that people have been making passive income in crypto. As an example, Cardano is a very, very popular coin to stake. Currently, it's paying something like 6.5% APY. So if you have 1,000 Cardano coins, you're going to be making approximately 65 extra Cardano a year in income from staking. Now look, the trick with something like Cardano is that you're unlikely to make $100 a day in passive income unless you've got a lot of money. Currently, in order to get the $100 a day mark for Cardano, you're going to need to have about $600,000 worth of Cardano, approximately. Now, does that mean that Cardano is not a good coin to stake? No, not by any means. Cardano is a totally fine coin to stake. When you're looking at the top 10 coins, for example, in terms of staking rewards, don't expect to get mega rich off of staking those coins. Now, the people who obviously are making a great deal of money staking are the people who bought Cardano for 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. Their ROI right now is fantastic because their initial capital input was quite low. Generally with staking coins like Cardano or Solana or Ethereum or anything else, you want to try to buy them as low as possible, take a long-term perspective, keep on staking. Now for perspective, even at 6.5%, if you were to stake your Cardano for 11 years, you would double your total amount of Cardano. So if we had $600,000 in this situation worth of Cardano, well, you would double that, probably much more in dollar value actually, in 11 years. You'd have twice as much Cardano from your staking rewards, plus the price of the token will likely go up over time. So staking something like this, it's a nice way to make $100 a day if you can afford the high price tag. Then obviously we have crypto lending services like Celsius. Now this is a great way to earn passive income with your crypto. I personally do this with some of my crypto, but it's not for every crypto. Let's keep it real. It's great for Bitcoin. It's hard to find good Bitcoin rates out there. Celsius has a pretty good one. They don't require any extra tokens or anything like that in order to get the best rates. You can just deposit your Bitcoin. You get good rates on your Bitcoin. Deposit your Ethereum. You get good rates on your Ethereum. Deposit your stable coins. You get good rates on your stable coins. You can find better rates in other places, but for the simplicity, I think it's a strong contender for earning some passive income. Literally all you do, you sign up for a Celsius account. If you do need an account, you can use the link down below. You'll get $50 in bonus Bitcoin if you use that link. But all you do, you deposit your crypto, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Polygon, your USDC, whatever it might be, and you just start earning interest every single week you get paid out. It really couldn't be much easier. It's great. It's great. Nice service. However, let's run the math on this. If we want to make $100 a day on Celsius, let's say lending stablecoins as an example, 8.5%. How much would you need to make 100 USDC a day? You would need about $500,000. So for $500,000, you can make $100 a day. So that'll give you about, $36,000 a year passive income, approximately. Approximate numbers here. Not too bad. If you got a spare $500,000 laying around, do I make $100 a day? Boom. There is a very easy way to do it. And obviously this is an inflation beating rate. Inflation is currently 7.5% on dollars. USDC on Celsius giving 8.5%. Not bad. Not bad. It beats inflation. But most people in crypto, you want something more. You want bigger rates of return than 6.5 or 8.5%. And look, for the top assets, that's what you need to learn to expect. Ethereum, you're going to get around 4 to 5%. Bitcoin lending, there is no staking for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin lending, you're looking at, 3, 4, 5%. 5%, something like that's pretty decent. With other coins like Cardano, the rates are just lower. But if you want those really big, juicy rates, well, you go off into the altcoin forest because that is where the good rates of return are. Now, as an example, altcoin staking, so this is not network staking like with Cardano, but these are just rewards that projects give out, like Aurora, which is a pretty cool JRPG style game on the Solana network. They're offering some great staking rewards. You can see here 34% for their flexible pool, which means you can take your money out whenever you want. Or if you would like to lock your money up, you will actually get 62%, which is pretty gosh darn cool. Now I'll just take myself off the screen here for a second so you can see. Now we've got our Phantom wallet connected. Phantom wallet's the best wallet for using the Solana network. I've got one Aurora in that wallet. So let's go ahead and click on Max here and click Stake Aurora. And you can just watch this process and see how easy it is to do some staking here on Solana. Go ahead and approve that transaction, which costs obviously almost nothing because we're using the Solana network, which has dirt cheap gas fees. And that is going through there. Now this is a locked stake. This is a locked stake, so we won't be able to redeem our stake until May 27th. So it's going to be a while before we can actually access that locked up stake, but it's there, it's earning interest. 62%, a pretty gosh darn nice rate. Now at 62%, that means that we need around $60,000 in order to earn $100 a day. It's dramatically different math, isn't it? Now that we've reached our 62% APR, the initial capital requirement has gone down from $500,000 or $600,000 start at Cardano, $500,000 on Celsius. Now we're down to $60,000 in order to be able to earn $100 a day staking. And obviously, when you look at a lower cap altcoin, something like Aurora, you're staking on the belief that that will be worth more in the future. This is just based on the current economics. Let's say this coin goes up by a 10x. Well, all of a sudden, your $100 a day turns into $1,000 a day. And all you had to do was put up $60,000 capital in order to try to make that. And look, obviously, this all scales in any direction that you want. If you're thinking, gosh, Lark, $60,000 is still a heck of a lot of money. It is a heck of a lot of money. It's true. However, if you got $6,000, you're making $10 a day, and then $100 a day if this coin does a 10x. Obviously, nothing is certain in the altcoin land, but those are the kind of calculations that start getting made when you look at these lower cap altcoins and these juicy rates of return. Then you have something like Rainmaker, which is a cryptocurrency gaming ecosystem coin. So it's one of those coins with working the play to earn gaming space, working with guilds and gamers and all this stuff. They have got some very, very juicy rates of return. Now I've already bought some Rain coins over on Uniswap. I'd bought some Aurora on Radium, by the way. You can pick up all these coins on the decentralized exchanges. But I've got some Rain, so I'll just show you real quick how to stake that Rain. And you can see 185% APR right now. That's crazy stuff, man. That is crazy, crazy stuff. Now, if you want to provide liquidity, that's 656% APR, which is a massive, massive rate. But we're going to be talking about providing liquidity here in just a second. over on the Solana network, we're going to pay a lot less money in gas fees. Now that does not mean that we can then stake Rain, because Rain's not on Solana. It's on the Ethereum network right now, but I'll just show you how to stake the tokens, which is a much less gas intensive option compared to staking on Uniswap, providing liquidity, bringing your liquidity provider token over here, etc., etc. Let's just go ahead and stake here. And so this is another situation of you have to do a locked stake. So if you do just a flexible stake, your rate's going to be much lower. Or if you do a locked stake for 52 weeks, which that's a long time in crypto, man, let's keep it real, you will get the 185%. So let's go ahead and do that stake. So first we have to approve our spend limit. What is that going to cost on Ethereum? 15 bucks just to do the approval. That's awesome. That's awesome, Ethereum. I love it. Now, at this rate of around 185%, how much are you going to be earning, or how much do you need to earn that $100 a day, I should be saying? Well, in this situation, you're only going to need around $19,000. And the final step here is actually to deposit the coins. So that's only $62 right now. Go ahead and click on confirm, and that will go through. As you can see, using the Ethereum network is painful, but sometimes there are simply options on Ethereum that you just want and you need to take advantage of, and you have to suck it up and pay the big fees. There you go. You want that 185% from Rainmaker? That's what you got to do to get it. And finally, for today, I'm going to show you how to do some yield farming on Orca. Now, in this situation, they're offering currently, at the time of recording this video, 374% APR. Now, in that situation, you're going to need around $8,500 invested in order to make $100 a day. Now, this is paid out in the Orca token as well as in the SB token. And look, this is not some kind of promotion for the SB token. I really don't know what the heck it is. I just want to show you how to take advantage of yield farming this coin as an example of what is possible. I'm not saying this is one that you should be coming over and doing yield farming for. Now, in order to start yield farming this coin, you are going to need to buy some of that coin. So you need to have USDC. As you see, it's an SB USDC pair. So you need to have USDC in your wallet, and you'll also need to have some SB coin in your wallet, which again can be done here on the Orca exchange. If you go and click on exchange, obviously we're once again connected with our Phantom wallet. So we'll just do 0.1 Solana worth of this SB coin, clicking on setup, clicking on approve. That'll take just a moment to go through, and then we'll be able to exchange for the SB token. Go ahead and click on exchange here, click approve that, and that'll be going through. Now that we have those tokens on the way, we actually have to put them into a pool. So we're gonna go over here to pools. We can see SB USDC is once again the top pool here. So go ahead and click on deposit for that. There we go. We're only just putting $20 in here. And for that $20, I'll be earning about $6 a month, which actually isn't all that bad considering it's only 20 bucks. Click on deposit there, click on approve here, and that will be going through momentarily. Now, once we have deposited our liquidity into the exchange here, we will see that we are now earning the Orca token, which we can harvest at any time that we want. We can also go up here and click on your liquidity, and it'll show you which farms that you're currently in. And we can even go to double dip. So this is when we take the current token that we have, which this SB USDC farm that we're in gives us an LP token, which we can actually take over to the double dip tab and then deposit as well. So we just scroll down here until we find SB USDC, and then we will go ahead and deposit that as well. Click on double dip, click on approve, and now we will also be earning SB tokens. So we're earning two ways now using this particular farm. So we're earning Orca tokens and we are earning SB tokens. So we're earning two kinds of tokens here for this. So it's a great rate of return on these farms, and you can see it's a nice way to actually try to earn $100 a day. Now, obviously, the final point I want to make before we close up this video, there are risks. There are lots of risks involved. The safest option was Cardano. It's also one of the options with the lower returns. It's got low returns, but still very popular because it's safe, right? Using a centralized lender like Celsius is pretty gosh darn safe. Once you start going down the rabbit hole of altcoin staking and yield farming on exchanges like Orca, we start getting into a whole different variety of risk factors here. Impermanent loss, meaning that you're going to end up with a lot less money than you initially put into that liquidity position. Smart contract hacks can happen, all of that stuff. So please do be aware of that. But if you want to make $100 a day in crypto, there are some good options for you. I hope you found this video to be useful. Let me know what you thought about it down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.